now I'm at the hospital. I just have my monthly checkup, doctor appointment, and I don't have any plan specifically today, so I don't know what I'm going to do today, so it's going to be a surprise. But I packed for gym, so I have bring some clothes changes for my gym, so probably after the doctor appointment I'm going to work out, and after that we figure out what we're going to do, but I got no idea yet. They have like honey cake, but it's only available on weekends. Hi guys, this is Both.
Hello. Oh, I love this furry thing. Can I order now? Sure. Yep. Can I get the prosciutto and the salad? What do you want?
Can I get the crab pasta and the iced roast chai with almond milk?
Could I also get a cold brew with a dash of almond milk and cinnamon powder?
Oh, that's really special.
Yeah.
Cool. I'm my first in the world.
Wait.
Look at this.
Oh my god, this one.
Can I get one iced matcha with almond?
I only have oat or soy.
Can I have oat?
I said matcha.
Can you also get another ice soy matcha, please?
Ice soy.
Yep. No sugar, please.
Any sweetener for you?
No.
Like watery. Hello. We're going to Roseberry, this matcha place. Let me show that. How sweet it tastes. First impression. Is it good?
I love this and this, so cute. I love how you put everything out. It's so laid out perfectly, and the vibe is like Japanese and minimalist. So cute. Hi guys, Raymond taking over.
Hello. So I just bought Japanese ceramics. Let's look at it together. It's my favorite one actually. Look at that. Look at the texture. Oh, I love Japanese ceramics. Look at its pointy head, spiky, like my hair. Anyways, I love that one. I think it's the best one out of my purchase today. I really like this one because it has like sakura. Look at that. And then look at this part. It's so unique. That's why I love Japanese like pottery or ceramics. Ooh. Okay, I already took the price tag off. But look how this could literally be anything. And another tray. Oh my god. So I love like the spiral part. It's giving Uzumaki. And then look at the back. It's so unique. It's a lizard. It just reminds me of home. That's why I bought it. Oh my god, this ramen bowl is the best. Okay, let me sell it to you. So look at the ceramics, right? Look how glistening it is. And then look at this part. It's kind of like, would you say like glossy? This is matte. This is glossy. And then turn at the back. Look at that. Look at this part. I saw it and I was like, oh my god. Oh my god, look at that.
It's perfect for like matcha cup. Like
I know, right?
matcha.
Yeah. Or just like holding tea. Cause
Thank you. Right now, we're getting ready to go to the gym. I put my hair in braid so then I can put on my hair mask. But right now, we're gonna film a makeup video before we leave. I'm gonna start with my moisturizer. I'm using this Glow Recipe. Okay, I have to go to the gym, but before I... What is that noise? I think I almost finished it. I need a new one. Before we went to the gym, I need to take my mom to a fish shop. She wanna grab some fish for tonight dinner. Yummy. Looks so yum. Look at the meat. They have portion of everything. Pickled cabbage. Pickled carrot. So they have this pate. So smooth and yummy. And look at that brisket. Finally home, and we're gonna unbox. I'm gonna give you one haul of what I got from the warehouse sale. I got this jumper. I think this is called jumper. I don't know. And it just have like a hole, so when you wear it's like a hole. So it's just like a simple one, not, you know, not over the top, but I think the price is really good. That's why I buy it. So this is their pricing. So I got this one, a waist from OD, like a white waist. I got this like singlet. I just want to wear it at home, that's all. This is what I got. I like it. It's just like nice, simple, minimalist gray. Shoes from VJ. I reckon that's how you pronounce. So cute. I feel like it's so comfy and I can wear it every day or go to the gym. So from the same brand. This is more of like a casual everyday wear. I got two things that is like a gym things. I was looking for a bag too, but they didn't have much option. It does have the puffy tote bag, but they have it in dark blue, so I'm not really a dark blue fan. And I got this short. Never heard of this brand, but I saw that it's so soft. Like the material is so good. So I got one of this. It's a sport bra. Finally finished our unboxing, so I'm gonna go ahead and untie this hair, and we finally can go to shower. Just gonna wash this off and then gonna start doing my work. That's all. I think I don't have much to do today, or I choose to not have anything to do today. So guys, morning. I'm walking to the train station right now. I'm going to the city to meet up with one of my friends. Last time I got with them and I forgot my wallet, I forgot my bag at their place, so they're gonna bring it to me and go grab some brunch together. We got no idea which place we're going to eat, but I just know that we're gonna go eat and then have to go to my facial. Getting ice cream. I think that's the one.
What else?
And the cappuccino.
Yeah, you can have another flavor.
Oh, I just want to. Can I just get it? We got a pizza. So the place that I always got the pizza from is called Wood Fire, I think, Westwood in Newtown, and I really like that place because they have the honey garlic and the Spanish crab. That's the two pizza that I always order.